Hey Daniel, talk to me. I'm going to keep those guys suppressed. Let me know when you're ready. Roger that. If you get to that tree behind the house, that would be a good job, man, because then you can get all over. I'll keep her heads down. Tell me when you want to move.
I was just moving back here to keep them from flanking us. If you want me to move up, I'll try. All right, I'm moving now.
Roger that. Are you situated? Is he hit? I guess so. Hey Jay, this is a 60 gunner. Please give me some communication. Let me know what you want to do. I can reach those guys all the way out to the dollhouse. Over. Roger that. Did your gun break?
No.
What happened?
Just barely getting what? You guys' BBs were just barely.
Oh, that was mine. They're going over the top?
Just barely.
Well, that's good to know. Hold on. What's that? What do you say?
Oh, I'm gonna be on your guys.
Oh, okay. Hey, we got a guy on the...
Yeah, I see him.
Can you flank around and get over there and help him out?
Oh, yeah.
Hold on, let me let him know that you're coming.
Yeah.
Hold on. Hey, Daniel, I'm sending the guy over to you. There's a guy coming up behind us. He's just joined our team. Be advised, he's coming up on your 6 o'clock. Do not shoot him. Over. Ready? Hold on. Ready? Ready, go.
Better run. Yeah, I'm getting kind of pinned here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a guy to my right, center, and left.
I'm good. I got eyes on the refinery. I can put lead on it if you want me to, over. I moved up a little bit. I'm in the corner of the house. Could you repeat that, please? Negative. I cannot see. I would have to get over towards you, over. That's a good copy. Hey, Bob, I'm going to be shooting over your shoulder a little bit. I'm letting you know. That's cool. Hey, Daniel, could you give me a heads up, any targets that you want me to lay lead down on, over? Roger that. I'm shooting at the guys behind the wood barricades there by the sawmill. Do you want me to shoot any more to the right? Over. Can't understand what's going on.
Yeah. I probably can't reach them.
Yeah, I see him just standing there.
If I'm in your way, let me know.
You're alright. There's a kid right in the wooden base right up there. Okay, I'll move out of the way.
Hey, I can't understand what you're saying.
I haven't said anything.
Oh, that wasn't you talking? Hold on. Oh, I see him right there. All right, hold on.
I can't even see where I'm at.
Oh, got a kid. Got the kid in the bunker.
Oh, good.
I'm doing all right. We're on the right side of the house, on the north end of the border. We got a sniper and a couple guys. We're holding our own. I mean, I'm not pushing. I'm supporting. These guys got to move. I can't just sit here and just shoot at nothing.
He's hit. He's hit.
Hey, can you guys push across that?
What?
Can you push across?
Yeah, I'm gonna run that way.
All right, hold on. Let me get up to where you're at. Hold on. All right, I'm up here. Hold on a second. Let me. All right, let's talk about this. What do you want me?
One guy over here ran back.
Yeah, I saw that.
So the rest of them should be over here. Me in front. There's one berm here in front,
All right.
and then to the left.
Yeah, there was a kid running the plywood building when I got him.
All right. Good shot. All right. All right. Good shot. All right. Well, let me know what you want to do. You guys stick together as a team. Tell me where you want to put fire at.
Yeah, I don't know.
Why don't you get to that trick? Ready? Hold on.
Here, want to take my position?
Yeah. You guys get behind me. Hold on. All right. I'm going to put fire across. I'm going to sweep it back and forth.
Okay.
All right. Hold on a second. Give me a few seconds here. Ready? Ready? Hold on.
Is it back in the trees there?
Yeah.
All right. Here, I'm gonna cross. You cover me.
Daniel, talk to me. Tell me what you want to do. I'll put fire down in front of you.
I don't see nothing. I think we can move up a little more. I'm gonna push up a little bit. Guys, go ahead and move up. Scott, you can move up now.
We are crossing the river on the northern side of the bridge. Over.
Guys, go ahead and move up. Scott, you can move up now. the left. Somewhere on the left.
Be advised that we crossed the river. We have 3 friendlies over north of the sawmill.
He's down, he's down.
Right here. You're good. Yeah.
Daniel, talk to me. You need fire down that fence line over? Daniel, do you need fire down the fence line? Do you need fire down the fence line? Oh, shit.
Bush, hit the brush. Fence line. Fence line's good, I think. The brush piles. Watch the brush piles.
Where's that fire coming from? All right. Do you want me to put fire on the building? Hey, watch your right flank.
No, you're good. Clear.
Might have fallen back to fire base. Roger that. We're going to push up to the Close to my brother has been hit. He's going to be a difficult find.
Yeah.
Be advised that we have control over the sawmill. Over. Roger that. We're going to push up to the refinery. Let us know if you need our help. Over. What's that?
You guys got missing.
Huh, got you.
Barely.
Okay, that's all that matters.
You guys got to do guys for Molly.
Roger that. We have eyes on the barrels and the refinery. Let us know what you want to do. We're going to try and make sure the area is clear and we don't get 60 flanked on our 6. Over.
All right, yeah, he wants us to push forward. Yeah, they want us pushing the refinery. I'm listening to the radio right now. Where the hell's Scott? They're behind the refinery. Yeah, all right, let's move to the refinery here. I'll watch right, you watch center. I think they're towards the natural bunker. Now we might have friendlies over there, so watch your fire. We are at the refinery. Natural bunker. There's a sniper over here.
Daniel, heads up. Make sure you have someone watching your right flank. Over. Daniel, watch your right. Cypress Actual, be advised we're coming in on your right side on the other side of Matisse Swamp. Over.
There's the dead kid right there.
Yeah, they said there's a sniper somewhere over here.
It's probably him. Not sure. Movement.
All right, they got him. Got to right.
Get that, Daniel?
Yeah, hold. We're gonna provide overwatch for our guys moving up.
Don't put out the open.
All right.
Roger that. I'm going to look up the road. I'm going to take wherever you guys are. I'm going to watch from on the road to the left to where our Black Cypress actual is. Over. Yeah, don't let them bitches sneak up and get in the dollhouse behind us. We'll be screwed. Over. Hold on, they're talking to me. Hold on, hold on. What's that? I'm what? Roger that. Hey, this is the 60 gunner. I have to reload. I'm down to a quarter, so just don't do anything until I get fully loaded. Give me 2 mics. Over. This is the 60 gunner. I'm back online. Repeat, back online. Over. That's a good copy. We're going to hold our ground. We got our right flank and forward under control. Over. That's a good copy. Over.
I'm going to take hard cover in here. Scott, I'm going to watch our right flank. That's a good copy. Yeah. I'm watching it. Alright, Scott's loading his 60 right now. I'm watching the right side. You can watch our front right here. We're just going to hold position for right now. Okay, our guys are going to start pushing that way. We're to hold position and just cover this side. We have movement on west fence, moving towards fire base on the left side of the side trail. Dead man's trailer's on.
Go ahead. That's a good copy. Daniel, did you get that? Over. Roger that, I'll be on your 6. Make sure you guys space out, not too far over.
Yeah, I got that. We're moving out. All right, we're gonna move this way towards fire base, on towards the fence here.
That's a good copy, Cypress Actual.
I got your 12. 12 and left. Okay.
You go out and come forward.
Yeah, I'll meet you in front.
All right, guys, let me get in position, and I'll give you cover and fire. All right.
We always get slaughtered here. I think we'll just push the woods here a little bit.
All right, I'll cover for you.
All right, I'm moving.
Hey, let them know first you're coming up on them. Tell them we're coming up onto we're coming from the...
We're pushing on west fence line. Watch for friendly fire. Whoa. Yeah, that came from the right. He's hit.
Yeah, I got it. Good shot.
Good shot. Watch out for this fence line up here. Sometimes guys hide right here. Right here. Look where my BBs are going to go. I'm not going to shoot you, Bob. Just stay there. Stay there. Hold on. Just watch. Right down there. Oh, there is movement down there. Right there. He's moving to the left. Push in on him. All right.
Wasn't friendly fire, was it?
No. Hey, Daniel.
Yeah.
Everybody's this way.
Yeah, I'm pushing.
Cypress Actual, be advised, we're pushing up on the back fence line towards you, so watch out. We're to your right. We haven't crossed the road yet, but we're coming up to the trail path, so just watch your fire, watch your fire.
There's 2 dead. There's 1 dead right here.
Roger that.
Dead right here. Roger that. I got the 6, brother. Runners on the back fence. Runners on the south fence.
Hey, so you running?
We got it around. Keep that over.
I knew they were coming.